What is pCommerce? Cloud-based platform quickly creates mobile-optimized e-commerce stores powered by other people's products and secure P2P payments. A commercial license is included, so in just a few clicks you can build and rent digital stores to businesses for recurring rental payments. The e-commerce industry is growing 23% year-over-year, yet 46% of American small businesses still don't have a website. Big commerce. By the year 2040, it's estimated that 95% of all purchases will be through e-commerce. Nasdaq. Some awesome features included in pCommerce: mobile responsive stores. Quickly create mobile responsive stores. Product library. Sell others' products and make money, built-in product library with digital and physical products. Product manager. Create/manage your own products. Add category. Create/manage category. ADD and manage subcategories. Create/manage subcategories. Digital store builder. Build and rent digital stores to businesses for recurring rental payments. Crypto payments. Sell anything you want in any niche: e-com, software, affiliate offers, ebooks, dropshipping, local services, etc., and get paid in crypto. Blog builder. Create/manage blog posts on pCommerce store with an inbuilt blog manager. Payment processors. Manage payment gateways, PayPal, Stripe. Orders manager. See the list of new orders, completed orders, and rejected orders and manage all your orders right in your dashboard. AD banners. Add banners to store and earn lifetime recurring affiliate commission from Binance, Coinbase, eToro, etc. SEO manager. To rank your store on the search engines for free buyer traffic. Social icons manager. Browse from thousands of social media icons and add them to your stores: FB, IG, Twitter, LinkedIn, etc. Testimonial manager. Manage the testimonial section and skyrocket your conversions. No PayPal or Stripe? No problem. pCommerce allows users to collect payments in crypto as well. Here are some advantages of accepting cryptocurrency and why we decided to implement this payment method. A broader market. Using cryptocurrency as a payment method can grant you entry into an entirely new market comprised of tech-savvy and forward-thinking consumers. Lower transaction fees. Credit card companies and payment apps like Stripe or Square typically charge transaction fees anywhere from 3 to 5% on each transaction. Many e-commerce sites have built these fees into their online store prices. Cryptocurrency transactions provide a change of pace, as they typically don't have transaction fees, and if they do, they are as low as 1%. Anonymity. Cryptocurrency payments allow for anonymous purchases by using encrypted wallet addresses. This anonymity allows shoppers to purchase items without giving up their personal information. Reduce fraud and chargebacks. The blockchain technology that powers cryptocurrency was built to reduce fraudulent activity. With cryptocurrency transactions, money is exchanged between hands immediately. It cannot be rescinded, refunded, or forged, drastically reducing the chances for fraudulent chargebacks or returns. Higher security. It is extremely difficult to reverse a transaction without consent between both parties. This can provide both retailers and customers with more security when it comes to e-commerce fraud because, without a middleman such as a bank, there is little to no chance of funds being withdrawn from your account without your explicit permission. pCommerce Starter, FE. 10 stores. 100 products per store. Create pCommerce stores. Sell with BTC and ETH. 3 quality store themes. Step-by-step training. Top-notch support. Commercial license included. Step-by-step training. 24/7 support. For personal use only.